Hello everyone, here's Mel Janka again with Gen Art 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today, we're going to be working on the abdominals. Abdominals are what people mostly know as six packs. However, that would be the rectus abdominis, which is the center of the whole area. Then we have the obliques, and then we have many other muscles around the core, which include hip flexors and glutes. Today, we're going to be focusing on the front and the sides of the abdominals, all right? So for that, our warm-up is going to be based on exercises that will warm up the abdominal. And of course, we always have fun. So if you feel that my choreography can be too tricky, just move in a way that you feel your abdominals are going to get ready for the workout. So let's get ready. We're going to click a hit to that music and start. Okay, you might know this song. So main thing to warm up these abdominals is kind of using it with a little bit of kind of shapes and figure eights and stuff like that. Yes? So the main thing here is feeling how this moves all around. Yes? Getting strong like the music says. Let's go. We're gonna start kind of side to side. And make sure you brace right there, yeah? Now to protect your knee and your ankle, you're gonna bring the knee in as you twist, right? Let's go. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring it in. Try to keep it right in the center. You can feel it different now, right? Just a little bit small. 8. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me knee, knee, knee. So I'm using my hands just to crunch a little bit more, right? Let's go. Bring it in, both hands. In. That's a very, very easy way to do abdominals. Let's go. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it in the center again. This time, kind of figure eight, using the shoulders, kind of scooping the air. You can use the arm just to help you with that momentum, yes? 8 more, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, cross. Can you feel it in your obliques? 8 more. Good. And 4, and 3, and 2. Let's go with the knees. You can do knees like this, alternating elbow, alternating knee. Yes? Good job. Squeezing. Let's get ready in the center, right in the center. If you want more, you can extend those hands high, and you can keep them right here. Yeah, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it down. Woo! Okay, so now we're gonna do a movement that I have done before. You have seen it in my warm-ups. So we go single, single, and big circle. Let me show you. Single, single, circle that upper bodies. Yeah? Can you feel it? Okay, so we're gonna go high, and if you can, jump it a little bit. That way, your body warms up a little bit faster. Hands in the center. Let's go. Try to squeeze the lower back gently as you do this. Yes? Good. Getting strong, yes. Keep it coming. If you want more, go low on that circle, yeah? Using the momentum. Good job. Hold it in the center. Just keep it right here. Awesome job. I want you to feel it, yeah? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Good. Nice done. Nicely done. We're going to go into abdominals. For abdominals, so if you want, because you think that you can handle it, you can grab a small plate. I mean, I always have it ready, but it's not really necessary. So the way that we begin today is by laying down. We have 30 seconds, okay? Well, maybe less. So we're gonna lay down here. And we start super slow. So let me tell you why. Lift the knees right over your hips. We're gonna start super slow because abdominals work best when you do it slowly. So you're gonna touch the floor without letting the lower back arch. We wanna keep it touching that mat 100% of the time. Okay, let's go. Tempo, down. Actually, 2 and 2. Up and up. Don't let the knees come over your belly. If you're doing it right, you're gonna feel it right away, okay? Good. One more. Down, down, up, up, hold, hold. Navel to spine, so belly button down. Out and in. Out and in. If for any reason this is too much, you feel it too much on your legs, you can just tap down, yes? If you open your arms wider, I don't know if it has space, but if you open them wider, you're gonna definitely feel it, okay? Out, out, in. Now we're going again, slow. Your belly button in, don't let it get loose. Out, out, in. Feeling it? Me too. Okay? Hold it here, relax. Okay, here we go. In, out, in, and down. If this is too much for you, you can alternate the legs. Yes? It goes. In, out, in, and down. In. The most important thing is the abdominal being crunched. Yes? We're still on the same movement. Stay right there. Resist the need of lifting the lower back of the mat. Oh, very important how you breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Yeah, hold it right here. We're gonna cross. Yeah, to the opposite knee. I'm gonna put my hands on my temples or behind my ears without pulling the head. Yeah, in here we're also getting that technique. So chin comes up, shoulders off the ground. Yeah, we go single, up and down, up and down. Exhale through the mouth, inhale through the nose. Yes, good job, good job. Again, shoulders off the ground, not bending the neck like this, right? This is not abdominal, it's this. Lift, good. Wait, awesome. Bringing the shoulders off. Good, can you feel it? Yeah. Some people like to do fast abdominals, but again, the slower the better. Super slow. Up, 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 down, 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 down. Again, exhale, inhale. Can you feel it? Exhale, inhale. Again, inhale. Nice job. Hug your knees. Beautiful job, guys. Beautiful job. It was that simple, but I'm pretty sure you felt it. So now we're going to continue working the abdominals. This time we're going to stretch them. So to stretch abdominals, the easier way is kind of extending the back. So we're going to do it on the floor. Hopefully you're not pregnant. If you're pregnant, you're going to be here, okay? Otherwise, everybody come down to the floor, belly to the mat. And first thing is doing what we call boat. for yoga. So try and reach in the back foot. Now, sometimes this can be challenging for people. So the easiest way is opening the knee out, just to bring it closer, if you will, and hold it. And then reach with the opposite hands. And in here, you're gonna feel the stretch on your quad also. If you feel that's too much, you can simply go 1 foot, 1 arm. Change. Yes. Go and lift. Stretching hip flexor and across your abdominal. Good. Awesome. Release. Use your hands to push yourself halfway or maybe all the way up, keeping the hip touching the floor. Now, this contraction on the lower abdomen, on the lower back muscles is really, really good for us. So squeeze the rear, drop the hip down and the belly forward. Can you feel it? Shoulders back and down. Yes. Good. Bring it back, child pose. And come back forward. This time we're gonna try to do an abdo. I forgot to take my shoes off, but we're gonna go up, like basically pushing through the feet. Put your feet together and then try to lift the hip off the ground. Yes? Come back. In and out, come forward. Now, if this helps, try with me. Push your hip forward, press strongly through the feet, and lift chest up, pressing through the hands. Good. Take it down. Nice. Now listen to this one. We're gonna do a little bit of yoga. So go into downward dog. Make sure your feet and your hands are close enough. If you need to bend your knees, go for it, okay? Bend your knees, that's okay. And I hold this in here. So we're gonna try to go and grab the opposite, yeah, ankle or lower calf, and then try to twist. Using this arm to pull and go into deeper twists. Change, other side. Holding, bend your knee if you need to, and then go for the extension. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice job. All right, dear friends. I'm gonna do another back extension, but this time right here, okay? Do a big bridge and try reaching your ankles, maybe your shoes, go up. This is also stretching your neck. Good. All right. Awesome job. Go to the side, extend your hands, bend the bottom knee, and then try reaching your foot. Yeah? Instead of you pushing, pulling back, you're gonna kinda stay there and push the hip forwards. Good. Nice. Breathe in and breathe out. Release. Let's go on the other side. Lay down. Good. Bend the bottom knee, flush your body, and then go for the leg. Again, instead of pulling this one back, we're gonna push the hip forward. Yeah? Awesome job. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice job. Okay, my friends, sit straight. We have one last stretch for the obliques. You know this one already. Look to the ceiling and change. Awesome job. We did it. We did abdominals. Remember, slow is better, controlled is better. And then whenever you have the technique right, that you're not pulling your neck right? When you come in, pulling the neck, not pulling the neck, lifting the shoulders, working the abdominals, and then keeping the hands close to your hair, your ears, not pulling your head. Then your body is trained. And when it's trained, then you will be able to do faster abdominals without compromising technique. All right? So thank you so much. If you have any questions, shoot it below. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.